Real estate is hands down the darling of alternative investment. And I'll tell you why right now. There are 4 different ways that you can make money off of this asset. Number 1 is cash flow. Income minus expenses minus debt service gets you to cash flow. Buying a cash flowing real estate asset is very, very powerful. Number 2, appreciation. The asset, while you own it, can increase in value. The third one is equity paydown. If your debt is interest and principal, every amount of principal that's being paid by your renters is actually paying off part of the loan, so you're actually getting more equity. The fourth way is depreciation. Now, depreciation is an asset that goes onto your taxes because it is really the loss is this negative value that says, here's how this asset is going to devalue over time. Depreciation can offset the cash flow. Cash flow in real estate is considered by the IRS passive income. Why is this so powerful? If you have depreciation in a tax year that's greater than your passive income, you don't pay any taxes on that.